Try to breathe out of your nose. That should focus you up more. Yes.
I just smoking and I'm getting contact
Ah, it's just it smells a
high.
lot.
That shit's the bomb, huh?
Been like 3. No, I smoked that day over there with your nephew.
Hi, this is Julia Michaels, your iHeartRadio On the Verge artist. Here's my song Issues.
Issues.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I don't look down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast. But you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too. And you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, you got them too. So you come out of me, and I'll come out of you. Bask in the glory, hold all the problems. 'Cause we got the kind of love it takes to solve them. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. We do on purpose. We get mad and you break things. Feel bad, try to fix things. But you're perfect. Oh, you are, it's okay. And got hands and emotions. Pull you out, pull you back in. 'Cause you don't judge me. 'Cause if you did, baby, I'd judge you too. And you don't judge me. 'Cause you see it from the same point of view. 'Cause I got issues.
I'm good, homie. Yes, sir.
You good?
Yeah, I'm high. Yes, sir.
Sure.
You don't get too high off of weed, homie. You can't get no higher, you know? If you smoke up all your weed, you still won't get no higher than you are, you know?
That's right.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Look, I'm gonna smoke one more.
I handle it. I'll put this one. You know?
So when are you gonna go do again?
When?
Right now, are you done?
Take a shower,
Oh, him.
eat, sleep.
You remember? You
That
still
means
on there?
your brain's not that fried yet. It hasn't hit that point yet.
Nah, this is pretty exciting.
If you went to your mom's son, I was, I was smoking your mom's son.
This is good. This is
And I,
good.
Hi, this is Julia Michaels, your iHeartRadio On the Verge artist. That was my new song.
Are you alright?
you want a soda? Over there in the corner.
You want some vodka? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Sounds like a
7,
car.
8.
A car with no gas. That's what I wanted to have it over there.
I asked him if he wanted vodka. He said
You
no.
want soda?
Well, see, at least you asked him for soda. I said vodka. That's crazy. How many times did you do that, Joy? Ay, otra vez. I'm gonna count it.
Hit that. Hit that.
It Robert's not doing it.
Well, you're not hitting it like me.
Oh my God, he's a pro already. You're just a beginner. Come on.
Like me. I got baby lungs.
Well, that's
Young lungs.
okay. You have baby lungs. That mean you shouldn't be doing it then,
Well, I can still do it. It's the complicated.
and coughing like that.
Nah.
That's embarrassing. You all your friends and you be like.
Nah. Because I'm hitting it hard.
Why though? What do you?
I don't want to get paid.
You already are, mijo. You can't get no more than you already are. You can't go to sleep yet,
I want to go to sleep.
but you can't sleep yet. Now you
I
can.
could sleep.
Now you can.
I could sleep.
Okay.
Just when? I just knocked out earlier.
Or maybe it's because you're sleeping during the day.
Why are you asking me this question?
Because you can't answer them.
Huh?
Because you can't answer them.
What was the question though?
What's up with all these questions though?
I'm writing a book about teenagers and drugs.
Oh my gosh.
You're
Why
my
you telling me?
because you're a teenager and you're what do you got in your hand? That
A plant?
it's a drug. And that's what they call the gateway drug.
It's the leaf.
It's a gateway
The
drug.
leaf nut.
That drug really
No,
it,
it's not
it goes to every drug.
Yeah, indica plant.
Indica plant.
Yeah, so it's not a drug.
Okay.
So,
You
talk
took,
about
but you
kids
said you
smoking
took
indica blunt.
you took a Xanax too, right? You said. Okay, that's a drug. And according to the law, it's a prescription drug, which means it should be in your name if you're taking it. If it's not in your name, then you shouldn't be taking it. So, therefore, you're doing illegal drugs now.
Yeah.
Now, you know if you get caught with one of those pills in your pocket, you will go to jail, right?
Yeah, I don't know what I did with the napkin of those
Okay, just letting you know, making sure you know, so you know what to do.
Those pills? What you
I'm going to sleep.
Okay.
No, I haven't, but
Can you walk to your room, or are you gonna walk like that?
Perfect.
Okay.
It's Nighthorn here.
I'm glad you know how to handle yourself.
102.7 Kiss FM.
Dude.